My name is Angela Cruz, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Disney Mickey Mouse button card. I believe most of the kids knows the Mickey Mouse or at least seen it one time. So I decided to go with this decoration, and today we need one paper foam I got from a dollar store. It's $1 a piece. Also I bought a paper, red paper, also from a dollar store. It's less than $1. So one of each. Also the main thing, you need a button. So I buy it from Amazon. It's about $10 for 1,000 pieces. It's supposed to be different sizes for bigger like this. I don't know if you can see it. To the smaller, a little one, the size maybe from an inch to the quarter-inch. Also, you need a glue gun. I bought from a Walmart. It's about $4, and a glue sticks. I bought from a dollar store. This pack. It's 20 in here. So also you need scissors for this red paper, and it is better to cut the paper foam with a knife. So scissors and a knife. Also you need a pencil and a compass, but it's better to use a plate. What I'm going to use a bigger plate for a head and a smaller plate for ears. So now I'm gonna draw the Mickey Mouse shape. So I'm using a knot, but I'm gonna show you. Probably not, but yeah, it's in here. Now I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. Beautiful Mickey Mouse shape. I'm gonna draw in here, so same, but I'm not gonna use a plate because we already have one. I'm going to draw in here. Beautiful shape. Okay, I'm starting from the corner, and it is a little bit noisy, but I hope you're gonna hear me a little bit in a while. Now we have a same beautiful Mickey Mouse shape. So we're gonna glue it together like this. So we're not gonna see that black part. We're gonna need this one too. So if you want to use this, you can use it for something else, for your other project. We're just applying. It's hot, so be careful. I'm gonna use a little bit in here, because it's hot and because it's glue gun, it sticks right away. So we have a little black spot in here, so I'm gonna prick that and cut off everything. We have our shape, Mickey Mouse shape, and we can start apply buttons in here. So I'm wanting to tell that it is better to put the bigger one on the bottom and the small one on top, so you can keep the little spots that goes like between it. So I'm gonna try to apply. So you're gonna feel the spots in between. I'm gonna bring a little bit in here, and you just keep feeling out all the shape here, all the Mickey Mouse. So I finished, and that is what I have. Beautiful Mickey Mouse buttons are where you can place in a kid's room, a birthday gift, or just for yourself to enjoy your handcrafting things, I'm gonna show you closer. How beautiful is it? It's just perfect, beautiful Mickey Mouse shape. Thank you for watching. Bye.